Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 24th, 2025, and we're diving into the third quarter earnings report of Customers Bancorp. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Customers Bancorp has been making waves in the banking sector, and their Q3 2025 report is packed with insights into their financial health and strategic direction.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Customers Bancorp reported a net income of $73.7 million, translating to an adjusted EPS of $2.20, which beat the forecast of $1.89 from 4 analysts. John, what are your thoughts on this performance?
It's impressive. The adjusted EPS not only surpassed expectations but also highlights the company's strong profitability. The net interest margin improved to 3.46%, up from 3.27% in the previous quarter, driven by higher interest income from loans and leases. This indicates effective management of their interest-earning assets.
And what about their return metrics?
The return on average assets was 1.26%, showcasing efficient asset utilization. These figures reflect a robust financial performance for the quarter.
Capital and equity strength. Moving on to capital and equity, Customers Bancorp's CET1 ratio stands at 13.0%, and they successfully raised $163 million in common equity. How does this position them for future growth?
The equity raise significantly bolsters their capital position, providing flexibility for potential strategic moves, such as redeeming preferred stock. The increase in book value per share to $59.83 and tangible book value per share to $59.72 reflects strong shareholder equity growth, which is a positive sign for investors.
So would you say their capital strategy is on the right track?
Absolutely. The strengthened capital base and improved equity metrics position Customers Bancorp well for future expansion and resilience against market fluctuations.
Loan and deposit growth. Let's discuss their loan and deposit growth. Customers Bancorp reported loans and leases of $16.3 billion, with a notable increase in specialized lending. What does this tell us?
The growth in loans and leases, particularly the 9.7% increase in specialized lending, indicates strong demand and effective lending strategies. Additionally, deposits grew by $1.4 billion, and the average cost of deposits decreased to 2.77%, which is a testament to their efficient deposit management.
How does this impact their overall financial health?
These trends enhance their liquidity and funding capabilities, supporting sustained growth and profitability. The strategic focus on specialized lending and deposit management is clearly paying off.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Operational efficiency is crucial for any financial institution. Customers Bancorp reported an efficiency ratio of 45.39%. How does this compare to industry standards?
This is quite favorable. A lower efficiency ratio indicates better cost management relative to revenue generation. Their non-interest expenses were $105.2 million, showing disciplined expense control even as they invest in growth initiatives.
And what about their future outlook?
CEO Sidhu emphasized their focus on strategic priorities and long-term growth. With a strong capital position and efficient operations, Customers Bancorp is well-positioned to capitalize on future opportunities and maintain its competitive edge.
Key takeaways. In summary, Customers Bancorp delivered a strong performance in Q3 2025 with impressive earnings, robust capital metrics, and strategic growth in loans and deposits. John, any final thoughts?
Customers Bancorp's results reflect a well-executed strategy and strong financial management. Their ability to exceed EPS expectations and maintain a solid capital position bodes well for future growth and investor confidence.
Thank you, John, for your insights. and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Customers Bancorp's performance in the comments below.